Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The mode of goodness is really tricky. The modes all have their influencing and pulling power. Mode of ignorance, laziness, sleep, too much sleep, intoxication, hallucinations. Mode of ignorance. That has a pull to it, pulling. Mode of passion. That has its pulling too. It's the donkey with the carrot. I gotta work hard to get this. I gotta work hard to get that. To accumulate things, get things. Mode of passion. Attached to results. Passionate. I'm going to do whatever it is so I can get the result and enjoy the result. Whatever it is. That has a pull to it. Fruit of work. And then the mode of goodness also has its pulling. It's to do the right thing. The mode of goodness is filled with shoulds. I should do this. I should do that. Mode of goodness. It's the right thing to do. I should do this. It's should. Mode of goodness. Krishna consciousness is beyond all the modes. It's beyond the intoxication and the hallucinations and it's beyond simply working for some fruit of result. And it's beyond always having that nagging feeling that you should be doing this and you should be doing that. And this is the rule and that's the rule and I should do this, I should do that. So that I can be good, mode of goodness. Devotional service is different. Devotional service is the means and the end to Krishna. Devotional service is how we get to Krishna, and when we get to Krishna, we perform devotional service. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. It's not fruit of work, because it's absolute. You don't do it to get something. You perform devotional service because it pleases Krishna. The results are up to Krishna. Beyond the modes of material nature. But of all of them, that mode of goodness is very tricky. I should do this. I should do that. I really should. Now, the only thing you should really do is chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Go back home, back to Godhead. That's why it's the transcendental mode of goodness. Suddha Sattva. Hare Krishna. Jai, the lifter of Govardhan Hill.